Where are you now? I'm here in Arriga Metro Station.
I got you to metro station. I buy either little something for my grandson. Grandson. I buy. Today, I go Arriga Basha.
Ay Basam Center. This kind of English here in Dubai. Coming no coming.
Coming. Coming no coming. Where are you now? Where are you now? I'm here now. I'm here. I'm him. Where are you? Where are you?
Come. You.
You come? Come to me. Huh? You come? Come to me. Habibi,
Come to Dubai.
come to Dubai.
Look at me. Pag tumingin ka, akin ka. Isa na lang, oh. Magbabay ka na.
Bye po. Darating niya po kasama namin. Mayaman kong kapatid.
Kaya, wala sa Dubai.
Wala pong kapatid ko sa Dubai. Nanawagan po ako. Pangalan niya po ay si Wilma Clemeno. Nawawala po. Kung saan siya nagsusuot.
Bye-bye.